Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your profile viewers on LinkedIn. It's a very easy and simple process and it works both on iPhone as well as on Android. So let's begin. First of all, just open a LinkedIn app, and in this video I'm going to show you multiple ways how can we check who has viewed our profile. So the first step is just press on notification. As of right now, no one has viewed my profile, but if someone does or someone views your profile, so in the notification section it will be shown that this person has viewed your profile. So this is the first step. The second step is just tap on home and then tap on the icon, just tap on view profile and then just scroll down, and as you can see it's written profile views. Tap on it. As if right now no one has viewed my profile, let me just go back. As you can see it's written zero profile views, but if someone views your profile, just tap on profile views, and over here it will be shown that this person has viewed your profile. So this is the way to find who has viewed your profile on LinkedIn.